How to fix Wildgate crashing on Steam. So first you want to go to your library and then you want to right click on the game, go to properties and then go to installed files and click on verify integrity of game files and wait for it to finish. Now once it's done, you want to click on the browse button and it should open up the installation folder. Now you want to right click on Wildgate's exe file, go to properties and then compatibility tab and make sure both of these options right here are checked. Then click on apply and OK. Now you want to go to the general tab and under launch options you want to write -dx11 like this. Now you can close this and try to launch the game to see if that solves the problem. Otherwise, what you can do is check and update your GPU. So if you have an NVIDIA GPU, you'll need to install a NVIDIA app. And then from here, you want to go to the drivers section and download and install the latest GPU driver. For in this case, GeForce Game Ready driver. And once you finish downloading and installing the driver, you will need to restart your computer and then basically restart Steam and launch the game again, and that should fix the problem. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.